So we're now going into ERIN'S favourite Lego area, which is Heartlake City, which is Lego Friends. She's just got into these in the last month and she loves them.
Yeah.
Oh. Do you go and watch the show? Look, Erin, there's a show going on.
Everyone, are you with me? Yes, excellent. Here, will you two start messing around?
Just watch out for the red pirate. Other way. Let's give the red pirate a big boo!
Fire!
Let's give the crew a big cheer! Hooray!
Did you enjoy the show, Pippa? Did you enjoy the show?
Yeah.
That was pretty good, wasn't it?
That's good.
Yeah.
A few bits cool.
Didn't get the whole show.
Fire. Yeah, that made us all jump.
Yeah, the fire made me jump.
It's been really close, but it's been hot.
Yeah, so we're going to get coffee. That was well worth a watch. We didn't film it all because, well, we couldn't be bothered really. So there you go. So we're going to get coffee. As you can see, the show's just kicked out and it is super busy in this area. Super busy. This is Heartlake City where we're at, and we're trying to find the coffee. Is it in there? The Heartlake Cafe. Apparently Pippa said this sells really good coffee. Check out the cakes. So we picked up our coffee. How much was that? $2.50 each.
Is it?
Yeah, it's not too bad. That's not too bad for a theme park. Wow, look at the mirror. Look at Daddy, he's got a little hat on. Wow, look at you. Check out all the key rings. They've got little BB-8 key rings. Look at that. They got Finn, Poe Dameron, and they got Ray.
3PO there as well.
Oh, that's just the gold
Oh,
Lego
okay.
figure. Yeah. So we are done at Heartlake City. We're probably going to come back in about 45 minutes to watch the Lego Friends show. So that's what Erin wants to watch. So we're going to go and get on the carousel, aren't we, Erin? And Mummy said, Daddy can go on that because I don't like spinny roundy things. Well, neither do I really, but there we go. So we're now just coming into Land of the Viking area at Legoland. Pirates and Vikings and all that kind of shenanigans. You can pan for gold, just £4. Look at this. Get our money back for the ticket price. I'll be here all day. Now it looks like we're going to some kind of big playground area. Yay!
It sounds like it's time to meet the Lego Friends! Lego Friends to the stage, please.
Come on! Yeah! All right!
Let's get to work. What will I do without my girls?
Did you enjoy the Lego Friends show, Pippa?
It was great.
It was lovely, wasn't it?
It was brilliant.
No, it was good because Erin
Erin was dancing.
Erin was dancing and she got to meet the Lego Friends characters. which you should be seeing on screen now. So yeah, that was really good. Erin loved it, that's all that matters. Apart from the bloke that was playing Pokemon Go sat next
He
to
was
me.
having a fight on his phone in front of us.
There's a load of people playing it here, it's ridiculous. I've spotted about, I don't know, 10 or 15 people doing it. But they're all trying to do it discreetly, aren't they? Especially the older men. Anyway, we're gonna head off somewhere else. Spinny. It's one thing it is at Legoland, a bit of a workout, isn't it? It's a very big park. And it's uphill as well, some of it, so be prepared. Give the old calf muscles a workout.
Clayton's got him pushing the buggy.
Yeah. You wanted to push it, not me. I'd happily push it, love. But it's a good buggy though, and it's like got power steering. Look at those clouds coming in. And we're in the flight path of Heathrow Airport, as you probably can hear and see. Oh yes. How cool are these, look. Kylo Ren and Rey. And they've got all the Star Wars key rings. Lego C-3PO. Use the Force, Pippa. So we are in the Lego shop now, and it is heaving and it is big. Lots of Ninjago, City, Lego Friends, Lego Star Wars. Erin's building her own figures, so we'll probably be about a week building them. This is all the superhero stuff. Marvel and DC. Incredible Hulk. That's pretty cool. Harley Quinn. Lego Dimensions. See what they got. How much are they? Wow, expensive. You can pick this up for about 22. And it is 35. A ton of Lego Star Wars stuff. These are all hard to find sets now. Look at this. £220 for the Hoth, Assault on Hoth. There's the Batman classic TV series, £230. Wow. Prices are crazy. Ewok Village, 200. Goodbye Legoland.
Goodbye, Legoland.
Goodbye Legoland. Everything is awesome. Everything is tiring.
Let's go.
So we are done for the day. It
All
was
tired.
a tiring day, long day.
Hungry.
We didn't film everything because it would have just been about a 5-hour episode.
Where is she?
Erin's just wandering off. It was good though, wasn't it? You enjoy it?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, definitely worth it.
Yeah.
If you can get the buy one get
Buy
one,
one get one free. Yeah.
definitely. So
And also you can swap your Tesco club card points for tickets as well, which is what we did.
yeah,
So cheap day as well.
£13 worth of Tesco points makes one entry.
Yeah, that's good, isn't it? Considering it's £55.
Yeah. So the battery just died. So we are off. We're out. Don't forget to like and subscribe and do all that jazz. So we'll see you down.
I went like that.
Yeah.
No, don't do that, do that.
Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you guys later. See ya. Goodbye.